Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message informing you that this process removes things like your Google account, system, and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, important things that it removes are things like music, photos, and user data, primarily because those can be kept locally on the device, and if you don't back it up, you will lose this completely. Things that don't matter whatsoever are things like Google accounts. It doesn't delete the Google account, it just signs out of this device. The account still exists and you can relog into it anywhere else, so don't worry about that one. App data and downloaded apps obviously you can re-download, so no biggie there. Anyway, from here we can select Erase All Data if you don't want to back up your device. If you do, then do that beforehand, otherwise, like I mentioned, data will be lost. Select Delete All Data once more, and this will now begin the process. Now this should probably take about a minute, maybe 2 minutes to finish up. Once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.